The new idaero is still officially labeled as a concept car. However, it's now being presented in a closer to production guise with an impressively low drag coefficient of 0.23. The sleek body will help the electric sedan cover up to 385 miles in the WLTP cycle applied in Europe. It is coming to North America as well, but we're expecting the EPA figure to be lower. Volkswagen is awfully quiet about the technical specifications.
When I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just give me up. Don't be scared. Turning back, I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate, I attack. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just give me up.